Want to speak real Hindi from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HindiPod101.com. Do you know how to say I love you in Hindi? In this lesson, you'll learn 3 different ways to say it. Let's start with how to express your feelings to your loved one.
मैं तुम्हें प्यार करती हूँ। मैं तुम्हें प्यार करती हूँ। मैं तुम्हें प्यार करती हूँ।
Or if you want to explain those butterflies in your stomach, you can say,
मेरा तुम्हारे ऊपर क्रश है। मेरा तुम्हारे ऊपर क्रश है। मेरा तुम्हारे ऊपर क्रश है।
And when you feel that I love you is not enough, you can say,
शब्द आपके लिए मेरे प्यार का वर्णन नहीं कर सकते हैं। शब्द आपके लिए मेरे प्यार का वर्णन नहीं कर सकते हैं। शब्द आपके लिए मेरे प्यार का वर्णन नहीं कर सकते हैं।
10 questions you should know how to answer in Hindi. The most commonly asked questions in Hindi we are going to learn today.
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name?
So to begin with, the first question is, आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Which means, what is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? And to answer this question, we can answer it like, मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. My name is Anuj Khurana.
आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
So the next question is, आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? And we can answer this question like, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I'm absolutely fine. So the question was, आप कैसे हैं?
आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from?
So the next question is, आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? Which means, where are you from? आप कहाँ से हैं? We can answer it like, I am from Mumbai. मैं मुंबई से हूँ. आप कहाँ से हैं? To answer, I am from Mumbai.
आपका जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday?
Moving on to our next question, which is, आपका जन्मदिन कब होता है? When is your birthday? आपका जन्मदिन कब होता है? You can answer it like, my birthday is on 1st January. मेरा जन्मदिन 1st जनवरी को होता है.
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live?
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? To answer this, we can answer it like, I live in India. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ. आप कहाँ पर रहते हैं? Which means, where do you live?
तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work?
Another question which comes up is, आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं? आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं? To answer this, wherever we work, we can just answer it like, I work at XYZ office. मैं XYZ office में काम करता हूँ. आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं?
आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Hindi from?
Okay, so the next question is, आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? From where have you learned Hindi? Well, I think to answer this, it's quite simple. You can answer it like, मैंने हिंदी hindipod101.com से सीखी है. I've learned Hindi from hindipod101.com. आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? Which means, from where you have learned Hindi.
क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you eaten already?
Okay. So the next question is, क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you eaten your food? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? So you can answer it like, yes, I just ate my food. जी हाँ, मैंने बस अभी अपना खाना खत्म किया है.
क्या आपको भारतीय खाना पसंद है? Do you like Indian food?
Next question you might come across is, क्या आपको भारतीय खाना पसंद है? Do you like Indian food? Well, to answer this, my answer will be quite simple. I just love Indian food, so I can just simply answer, मुझे भारतीय खाना बहुत पसंद है. I just love Indian food.
क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? Have you ever been to India?
So the next question which a lot of Hindi speaking people might ask you, क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? Have you ever visited India? To answer this, you can just simply say yes or no, however you feel. So the yes means हाँ, no means no, and accordingly you can answer this question.
Want to speak real Hindi from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HindiPod101.com.
10 phrases, 10 sentences which you can use to amaze a native speaker. So let's begin. धन्यवाद, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में एक देशी वक्ता नहीं हूं. Thank you, but actually I am not a native speaker. धन्यवाद, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में एक देशी वक्ता नहीं हूं. Thank you, but actually I am not a native speaker. मैं 10 सालों से हिंदी सीख रहा हूं. I've been learning Hindi for 10 years now. मैं 10 सालों से हिंदी सीख रहा हूं. I've been learning Hindi for 10 years now. मैं 3 सालों में एक देशी वक्ता की तरह हिंदी बोल पाऊंगा. I'll be able to speak Hindi like a native speaker in 3 years. मैं 3 सालों में एक देशी वक्ता की तरह हिंदी बोल पाऊंगा. I'll be able to speak Hindi like a native speaker in 3 years. Well, that's quite a good speed if you can speak like a native speaker in 3 years. Nothing like that. मैं खुद से ही हिंदी सीख रहा हूं. I'm learning Hindi by my own. मैं खुद से ही हिंदी सीख रहा हूं. I'm learning Hindi by my own. Well, you have HindiPod101.com. You can learn Hindi quite quickly from there too. मैं उपशीर्षकों के बिना भी एक हिंदी फिल्म देख सकता हूं. I can watch a Hindi film without the subtitles. मैं उपशीर्षकों के बिना भी एक हिंदी फिल्म देख सकता हूं. I can watch a Hindi film without the subtitles. Well, I'm sure you all must be aware of Bollywood. These films are a lot of drama, a lot of romance, and if you're good at Hindi, you can enjoy Bollywood films. आपने जो कहा मैं पूरा समझ गया हूं. I've understood everything you have said. आपने जो कहा मैं पूरा समझ गया हूं. I've understood everything you have said. मैं लगभग 50 नए हिंदी के शब्द एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूं. I can learn 50 new Hindi words in a day. मैं लगभग 50 नए हिंदी के शब्द एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूं. I can learn 50 new Hindi words in a day. Well, trust me, if you can do so, you can quickly become a fluent Hindi speaker. हिंदी के अलावा मैं और भी कई भाषाओं में बात कर सकता हूं. I can speak several other languages apart from Hindi. हिंदी के अलावा मैं और भी कई भाषाओं में बात कर सकता हूं. I can speak several other languages apart from Hindi. Well, if you can do so, trust me, you are very talented because I can just speak Hindi and English. मैं खुद हिंदी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूं. I can write and read Hindi on my own. Our next sentence is, मैं खुद हिंदी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूं. I can write and read Hindi on my own. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी कविता लिखता हूं. At times I write Hindi poems. Well, if you're doing that, It's just amazing. If you're learning a language and writing poems in that, nothing better than that. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी कविता लिखता हूँ. At times, I write Hindi poems. So today we are going to discuss about 10 words, 10 sentences which you would love to listen from others. So let's start. आज आप बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हो. You are looking great today. Our first sentence is आज आप बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हो. You are looking great today. Well, who will not want to listen this sentence from anyone? मुझे आपकी याद आती है. I miss you. मुझे आपकी याद आती है. I miss you. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Which means you did a great job. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Which means you did a great job. Well, if you have done a project or maybe you have finished an assignment and if you get to hear this, nothing like that. आप एक बहुत अच्छे बावर्ची हैं. You are an excellent cook. आप एक बहुत अच्छे बावर्ची हैं. You are an excellent cook. Well, I love to eat and I like to compliment people who cooks a great meal or who cook a lot of meals for me. Well, it's a good way of appreciating a person is putting a lot of efforts in cooking. We should appreciate that. एक ब्रेक ले लो, आज मैं सफाई करता हूँ. You take a break, I'll be doing cleaning today. एक ब्रेक ले लो, आज मैं सफाई करता हूँ. You take a break, I'll be doing cleaning today. और तुम जीत गए. And you win. Our next sentence is और तुम जीत गए. And you win. Well, every sports person would love to hear this sentence from the opposite team that you have won. That's why we play. आप ठीक कह रहे थे. You were right. आप ठीक कह रहे थे. You were right. आप ठीक कह रहे थे. You were right. मैं आपके लिए कुछ खास लाया हूँ. I have brought something special for you. मैं आपके लिए कुछ खास लाया हूँ. I have brought something special for you. Well, I'm the one who loves to get surprises from others, and whenever someone comes and says this sentence, it just gives me goosebumps. I don't know what comes, but a surprise is a surprise. Budget असीमित है, which means the budget is unlimited. Our next sentence is budget असीमित है, which means the budget is unlimited. Well, trust me, if you are a corporate guy or if you are into marketing, most of the times you get a limited budget. But imagine your manager is coming up to you and saying that this time the budget is unlimited. आपकी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट बहुत अच्छी है. Your medical report is absolutely fine. आपकी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट बहुत अच्छी है. Your medical report is absolutely fine. Just imagine you are going to a doctor and you get to hear this sentence from your doctor that you are doing pretty good, your health is pretty good.
Do you know how to say thank you in Hindi? In this lesson, you'll learn 3 different ways to say it. Let's start with the easiest one.
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.
Another way to say thank you is
शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया.
Finally, here's a third way to express your gratitude.
बड़ी मेहरबानी. बड़ी मेहरबानी.
Okay, let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we've learned.
धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद. शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया. बड़ी मेहरबानी। बड़ी मेहरबानी।
If you want to learn a language but don't have a lot of time to dedicate to the endeavor, you need to study as efficiently as possible. You probably aren't a language learning expert or a world traveler. You might have school or a job or two. So in this video, we'll give you 3 ways to help you learn language more efficiently so that you get the most out of your time and effort. Number 1, use your time when you have it. The most valuable resource you have as a language learner is time. While you may not have to spend money to learn a language, you will have to spend time. Hours and minutes are a currency that you trade on a weekly basis to grow in your language learning. Language learning is probably a priority for you. It might not be the number 1 priority, like keeping your job or taking care of your family, but it does have to be important enough for you to invest significant amounts of time into your learning. There's just no way around it. That being said, use your time wisely. Because of previous commitments, you can quickly fall into the trap of putting your language learning off, thinking, oh, I'll do it next week, or Saturday, I'll do it Saturday. Needless to say, a few weeks can go by and you haven't really learned or practiced anything. If you find that happening, then take some time and reevaluate your approach. It's probably a long shot for you to be able to spend hours every day learning a new foreign language, but you can use your time to spend an hour or even just 10 minutes a day, every day, studying or practicing. If you're on a busy schedule, an hour a day can sound like reaching for the stars, so start slowly with just a 5-minute lesson. Over time, as you learn more and it becomes more routine, you'll want to spend more time studying. And your studying doesn't even need to be all at once. Make use of the little gaps of time you have in the day. Listen to a podcast while driving to and from work. Review new words while on lunch break or right before bed. Even a quick review while in line at the store or waiting for the bus. Together, these moments add up. This way, your little study session will add up to around 60 minutes of practice every day. You'll quickly be able to see significant improvement in your language abilities. Number 2, don't method jump. When you're new to language learning, there's a temptation to try out the newest course, app, or method. There are more language learning tools and courses than I can list. But jumping around from podcast to podcast or from textbook to textbook can really hinder your learning process. It's important to find the best method for you, but when you do, stick with it. Don't get distracted by the newest app, or if you suddenly find something faster, cheaper, claiming it can teach you a language with no work on your part. Stick with your learning course or tool. Consistent practice over a period of time is what is essential for language learning. If you hit a bump or plateau, you might be tempted to think, maybe there's a faster or better way to learn. So you search around and buy the next best language learning tool, only to use it for a couple weeks and realize it wasn't really any better than the last course you tried, and the same difficulties you had are still there. If you're learning your first new language and you pick a specific method or course, we suggest you stick with it for at least 3 to 4 months. You actually hurt yourself in the long run if you constantly switch between resources because you never give yourself the opportunity to progress. Number 3, focus on one thing at a time. When you decide to learn a new language, you're going to be really excited. You have all your resources lined up, a plan in place, and you're ready to go. You think you'll spend 3 to 4 hours a day practicing and that you'll be fluent in no time, but that's only for about 3 days. Then you probably will get a little bit discouraged and avoid it for another 3 days. And this process might repeat 3 or 4 times before you realize that you might be approaching things the wrong way. You can't devour a whole new language in a very short time. You'll burn out immediately. It's better to focus on one small part of the language at a time, either a specific grammar point or a specific vocabulary topic. In the beginning, these should be based on the parts of the language you'll use right away. Even in the business world, research shows that replacing less important tasks with ones that add value and help you reach your goals is the best way to get the most out of your time. As you advance through the language and your level increases, try to pinpoint the harder aspects of the language and work on them one at a time. Learning a foreign language isn't easy. It takes time and work, but it is possible. If you stick to your learning plans and stay focused, you will see improvement in your skills and find satisfaction in using the language. Remember that learning a language is really more like a journey. It doesn't have to feel like school or work. Savor your experience with learning and enjoy every step along the way. And for even more tips on learning efficiently, check out our complete language learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account by clicking on the link in the description. get tons of resources to have you speaking in your target language. And if you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share the video with anyone who's trying to learn a new language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. I'll see you next time. Bye! Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.